Most drivers don't realize how much peace of mind a dash cam can offer, especially when it comes to capturing those unexpected moments on the road. So, what if you could get a compact, high-definition dash cam that not only records crystal clear footage, but also helps protect your car when you're not around? Enter the Nextbase 300W 1080p HD dash cam. Welcome back to the Autovated channel, where we break down the latest auto tech for you. Today, we're taking a close look at the Nextbase 300W dash cam, a device that promises high-quality 1080p recording, parking mode, and a slew of other features to keep your vehicle safe and secure. Let's dive into what makes this dash cam stand out. The Nextbase 300W offers 1080p HD recording for clear, crisp footage day or night. Whether you're driving in the city or on a late-night road trip, it captures everything in great detail, ensuring you have reliable evidence if anything unexpected happens. Its small, discreet design doesn't obstruct your view and makes installation a breeze. The 3M adhesive mount sticks easily to your windshield, and the camera itself is compact enough not to draw attention. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can effortlessly share, edit, and playback your footage through the exclusive DriveGuard app, available on your smartphone or tablet. An internal G-sensor ensures that important footage, like in the event of a collision, is automatically saved and protected from being overwritten. It also supports up to 128 GB micro SD cards, Nextbase U3 micro SD recommended, which gives you plenty of storage for your driving footage, though you'll have to buy the cards separately. Based on expert reviews, this dash cam does a great job of balancing functionality with ease of use. Its parking mode ensures that if anything happens to your vehicle while you're away, the camera will start recording automatically. Night vision capabilities are also a plus, making sure you're always covered no matter the time of day or lighting conditions. So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: clear 1080p HD recording day or night. Wi-Fi connectivity for easy access to footage on your phone. Parking mode to protect your car when it's unattended. Compact design that doesn't interfere with your driving view. Cons: micro SD card not included, you'll need to buy it separately. No built-in GPS, you'll need an additional module for location data. Price can be a bit higher than some alternatives on the market, though it offers premium features. Now, how does it compare to similar models? Well, Blackview DR59-1CH offers comparable 1080p recording and cloud connectivity, but lacks parking mode and is a bit pricier. On the other hand, the Vantrue N2 Pro offers both front and rear cameras, but its app experience isn't as seamless as Nextbase's DriveGuard. If you're looking for an entry-level model with just the essentials, you might find cheaper options, but they won't offer the same level of convenience or peace of mind. So, is the Nextbase 300W worth it? For most daily drivers who want a reliable, high-quality dash cam, this is a strong option. It offers premium features like Wi-Fi, parking mode, and automatic file protection at a reasonable price point, especially for those who want a straightforward, easy-to-use camera. If this review is helping you shift gears into making a smart purchase, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest product reviews. For daily commuters or anyone who wants an extra layer of security, this dash cam has a lot to offer. It's compact, reliable, and packed with features that go beyond basic video recording. In conclusion, if you value reliable protection, easy footage management, and peace of mind, the Nextbase 300W dash cam is a solid choice. It might not have built-in GPS, but for most drivers, that's a minor drawback compared to its robust features and ease of use. Thank you for watching. If you've already tried the Nextbase 300W or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Be sure to check the comments section for links to the product. Goodbye until next time, and keep your drive autovated.